Okay. So here is a carton sealer. The cover to ensure the safety of yours. This part is flat footing. Yeah, the width can be adjustable by this handwheel. And the height can be adjustable by this handwheel.
Yeah, this handwheel.
Yeah, so the principle is exactly same as the carton erector. The length, the width, and the height all can be customized. Hi, Winnie.
Yeah.
I can see here 2 driving belts. The belt I saw, it's about 75 millimeter.
Oh, you mean the widen?
Yes, the width. Okay. And there are 2 tape head, top and bottom.
Oh, in there.
Yes, okay. Yes. So how to put this tape into the head? It's easy?
Yeah, it's very easy. Let me show you.
Oh, you can do it?
Yeah, I can do that.
Okay.
Firstly, press the emergency button.
Yeah. Okay. Okay, this door is because the machine is running. So once you open the door, it will alarm to mention you. It's in dangerous. So
yeah.
Please do like this.
Yeah, switch off.
Yes. Okay. Actually, this tape head can work with the different size of the tape, right?
Yeah.
So this one is 60 millimeter.
Yeah. Any other options?
Yes. So the 48 and the 75 millimeter both available. Okay. So the stick is up. Okay. Done. Oh, quickly. Good job.
It's easy. Yeah.
Good job. Okay. So this part, the head can take out easily.
Yeah, you can take out easily. Yeah, because of the alarm system, I can take out now.
Okay, got it. So it means that even the tape head is under the bottom, so you can take it out and put the tape, and then take this head inside the machine.
Yeah.
Okay, got it. Okay. Here is the motor.